Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add subtasks to your tasks in Asana. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Asana, and when I'm going to click on a task, then you're gonna see right here subtasks, and you want to click add a subtask, and you just add here this is a subtask, and yep, this is pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, and you can just like mark it that it's complete. And yeah, bye.